Lesson number 1. What is the Cello platform? Meet Zoe. She's tech-savvy, always connected, and gets everything done on her mobile phone, like shopping for groceries, hailing a ride, or catching up with friends. If money could be this convenient, accessible, and borderless, what could it do for Zoe, her community, and the world? This is Cello's mission, to empower Zoe and the 6 billion smartphone users worldwide with accessible financial tools that allow them to unlock the benefits of blockchain technology and stablecoins right from their mobile devices. No bank account or additional hardware required. Using the Cello platform and the first stablecoin supported on the platform, Cello Dollars, Zoe can send funds to a friend or family member globally as easily as sending a text message. She can also contribute to causes she cares about, or even provide a microloan to her favorite small business to support them. Since Cello is mobile-friendly, Zoe can send funds straight to a mobile number, even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet yet. Cello makes this possible through a number of technical innovations. First, an on-chain public key infrastructure links phone numbers to public keys, so there are no long, complicated crypto wallet addresses to manage. All Zoe needs is her phone number. Second, the Cello platform is fast. Blockchains are known for slow speeds, requiring nodes to download gigabytes of transaction history data before exchanging funds. Cello eliminates the need to verify all previous transactions and allows instantaneous verification of the blockchain using advanced zk-SNARK cryptography. This gives the Cello platform a 17,000x reduction in the amount of data needed to sync with the network, allowing Zoe to easily make a payment or send funds within seconds. Third, Cello Dollars, the first stablecoin that can be sent directly using just a mobile phone number, allows Zoe to make fast, low-cost transactions on the go. They can even be used to pay for transaction fees, unlike on other platforms. Finally, Cello also works across different carriers and countries, enabling access to financial services from almost any mobile phone in the world. And since Cello is an open platform, any organization can use, contribute to, and build on top of the technology to create mobile-first financial solutions that can be accessed by any mobile phone user like Zoe. By making cryptocurrencies easy to use, Cello aims to support greater access to financial tools and services, helping to create new opportunities for individuals and communities worldwide.